could push restructuring costs above the USD 500. A lack of competitiveness in subsidiary brands like Mac and Too Faced, combined with an over-reliance on problematic Asian duty-free channels for Estée Lauder and La Mer, lines will constrain sales. Deborah Aiken. Fox is a global media and entertainment company providing broadcasting and streaming services. The market capitalization is USD 2 billion, and the chief executive officer is Lachlan Murdoch. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 1.5 billion, increasing by 3%. Although streaming threatens traditional broadcast TV, Fox is expected to generate USD 3.5 billion in operating profit by the end of June. The strong combination of news and live sports channels firmly anchors the company in the core areas of traditional TV, with political advertising, Super Bowl promotions, and solid Fox News viewership providing advantages. Keith Ranganathan. HSBC is a global financial services company providing a wide range of banking and asset management services. The market capitalization is USD 16.7 billion, and the chief executive officer is Georges Elhidri. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 6.5 billion, decreasing by 2%. If HSBC's new CEO successfully executes the planned restructuring efforts, pre-tax profits in could be about USD 2.4 billion, higher than expected, improving the outlook through. The market is focused on risks related to China's economic slowdown, but the bank has set aside provisions for real estate losses and has room to aggressively cut costs. The asset management division is also benefiting from increased wealth in Asia. Thomas Noetzel. IMAX is an entertainment company providing high-performance, large-format screens and film production technology. The market capitalization is USD 13 million, and the chief executive officer is Rich Gelfond. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 416 million, increasing by 10%. IMAX, an entertainment technology company, famous for its giant screens, could reverse the uncertain outlook for traditional box office demand caused by weak consumer spending. IMAX expects annual profit growth of about 16% through 2026 and is expanding its market share, both mature and emerging markets. Movie theater operators such as AMC Entertainment Holdings and Wanda Film Holdings are installing IMAX systems, and directors like James Cameron are using IMAX technology to produce films. Kevin Neer. Insulet is a healthcare company developing automated insulin delivery systems. The market capitalization is 1.9 billion, and the CEO is Jim Hollingshead. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 18% to 240 million. Insulet, at a medical device manufacturer, is expected to see about 20% revenue growth in 2025 following the approval of Omnipod 5, the first wearable automated insulin delivery system in the U.S. Omnipod 5 will expand its market share in treating type 1 diabetes patients, and additional approvals for type 2 patients will further strengthen the company's revenue. Matt Henriksen. ITV is a major UK broadcaster that offers a wide range of TV content. The market capitalization is 330 millions, and the CEO is Carolyn McCall. Revenue in 2025 is expected to decrease by 2% to 440 millions. Weak demand for content and TV advertising poses a risk that the independent UK broadcasters' operating profit may fall short of market expectations. The expectation that ITV's studio division will rebound seems to overlook these challenges. Additionally, the temporary boost in ad sales from last summer's European Championship soccer broadcast sets a high benchmark for growth comparisons in ChoWOrld. ChoWOrld is a technology company that provides equipment and software for quality control in semiconductor manufacturing processes. The market capitalization is $8 and the CEO is Rick Wallace. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 11% to $1 billion as semiconductor plants produce advanced chips like high-bandwidth memory required for high-performance AI servers. KLA's sales of tools for consistency and defect inspection and measurement are expected to surge. As a market leader in such equipment, KLA is essential for semiconductor manufacturers to ensure quality and maintain smooth production flow. Masahiro Wakas, Shuji. Kotak Mahindra Bank is a major commercial bank in India, offering a wide range of financial services. The market capitalization is $4.1 billion, and the CEO is Ashok Vaswani. Revenue in 2025 is expected to decrease by 11% to $750 million due to the central bank's ban on new credit card and online account openings. It appears challenging for the Indian bank to meet its profit targets. Kotak Mahindra relies more on digital banking than its peers because it has a relatively small branch network. This could threaten growth despite efforts to strengthen tech systems and regulatory compliance. After a digital disruption in early 2020, Sarah Jane Mahmud. Micron Technology is a global semiconductor company providing high-performance memory solutions. The market capitalization is $10.9 billion, and the CEO is Sanjay Malhotra. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 39% to $4.2 billion. As a semiconductor manufacturer, Micron is poised for a promising year as demand for high-bandwidth memory chips accelerates and sales of other AI-related products continue to rise and is expected to have a promising year. Additionally, due to competitors limiting memory production, chip prices are rising and profit margins are improving. Jake Silverman. Nintendo is a leading Japanese gaming company that develops innovative game consoles and software. The market capitalization is $7.7 billion, and the CEO is Shuntaro Furukawa. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 27% to $4.1 billion. The successor to the Switch console is not expected to launch by March the fiscal year-end, and the delay could negatively impact performance. High operating costs and declining hardware and software sales from an aging console before the new device's launch are posing risks to profitability. Nathan Naidu. Nordea is a leading bank group in the Nordic region offering a wide range of financial services. The market capitalization is $3.9 billion, and the CEO is Frank Vang Jensen. Revenue in 2025 is expected to decrease by 2% to $1.2 billion. The Scandinavian banks, whose 2050 million share buyback announced last quarter, is only the beginning, and combined share buybacks and dividends could exceed $1 billion in the coming years. Nordea's profitable Nordic commercial and consumer business, coupled with strong asset quality and buffers against bad loans, supports surprisingly strong returns for shareholders. Mariana Fartsaba. Norfolk Southern is a major U.S. railroad company providing efficient logistics services. The market capitalization is $6.2 billion, and the CEO is Mark George. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 4% to $1.3 billion. After 2 difficult years, the railroad can expect a better outlook in 2025. Renewed focus on safe, efficient network operations and a recovering truck market supporting intermodal business will positively impact Norfolk Southern's volumes and profit margins. Lee Klasko. This is the second installment of our overview of companies to watch in 2025, as surveyed by Bloomberg. Okta is a cloud-based software company providing identity management and security solutions. The market capitalization is $1.4 billion, and the CEO is Todd McKinnon. Revenue in 2025 is expected to increase by 9% to $280 million. Due to the ongoing threat of hacking, Okta, a security software provider, could see a surge in revenue in 2025. Despite some severe breaches in 2023, Okta's customer retention is stabilizing, and it is adding new